Hey friends. All right, so today we're going to talk about positional things. We're going to talk about object placement. All right. So one type of object placement, let me move this, is top, middle, and bottom. Top, middle, and bottom. So this black block is on the top of the stack. This blue block is in the middle of the stack. This green block is on the bottom of the stack. Just like a sandwich. If you have bread on the top, then you have the meat in the middle, then you have another piece of bread on the bottom. Top, middle, bottom. Good. Top, middle, bottom. All right, let me move this over just a little bit. Move me out of the way. All right, another way, another positional term is in and out. In and out. So if you look at this picture, you see that the bear is in the cave. He's in the cave. If you look down here, the bear is out of the cave. Out of the cave. So look right here, Miss Hendry has a cup. My hand is in the cup. Now my hand is out of the cup. In the cup, out of the cup. Good. The bear is in the cave and then he's out of the cave. Good. Let me move me. All right, another positional term that we're going to talk about is above and below. Above and below. So look at this table here. This kitty cat is above the table. It's above the table. This dog is below the table. Below the table. So the cat is above the table and the doggy is below the table. All right, here's another one. Over and under. So look at Little Red Riding Hood. She's going over the log. And then Mr. Turtle here is going under the log. So Little Red Riding Hood's going over the log and the turtle is going under the log. Good. All right, and then one more. Whoop. We have beginning, middle, and end. So the beginning of the line is this sweet lady with the long ponytail. She is at the beginning, or the line leader. She is the beginning person. Then you have this other group right here of the three ladies. They are in the middle. The middle. And then you have this lady with the long hair. She is at the end. So you have beginning, middle, and end. All right, guys, great job.